Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from vicanalysis.com. I have a very good potential buying opportunity on the Euro Australian dollar currency pair. I found this setup, but with help with GMT from my thread. He pretty much alerted me about it. We got some flat base breakout on the shorter frames, like 1 hour and 30 minutes. But then I did analysis more deeply to see where we are heading and what we may expect in this currency pair, and I found a very strong short-term position, potential buying position here, and I established 2 positions here with stop loss around 100 pips, and I will try to take 1 to 3 on the first position and 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 to the second transaction. The reason for my buying positions here is pretty much because strong technical approach on this currency pair. First of all, we got a very strong downward channel which started from let's say February 10. From the February 10 we went all the way lower here, and we price worked in this downward channel. And here you only need to sell on the rallies here inside of the channel. But what happened after the news, after the big event, which is this one for the euro and ECB cut rate, and sound surprised a lot of investors, banks and funds, they totally probably reversed their main vision before that press conference. So because they didn't expect on this meeting this to happen, to extend the QE program, to expand QE program and to cut the rate, this surprise effect reflected on the market, especially on the euro and all pretty much euro currencies, currency pairs are going advantage of the euro, and I'm expecting also Euro Australian dollar, which got a very strong. I really like this chart. Of course, it doesn't matter if I like or not, or if it's looking very good or not. We must secure position and must keep a risk under control. So I have 2 transactions, but each one is only 0.5 risk, so the total risk is actually only 1% if this go wrong like I didn't plan. So let's back to the technical aspect on this currency pair. We got a strong downward channel. If we measure this downward channel, it's actually about 20 days downward channel, very strong. But what I really like here is a breakout in a very high volume of this channel. This is a strong breakout. Okay, so this breakout on very high volume indicates very big very big effort and very big willing for professionals to buy this, because we went outside of we broke that channel with a very high volume and very strong price action. Also, price didn't manage to test the lower diagonal of this, which is also sign of the strength. Even if you watch this area here, this area, it's something like accumulation also on the 1 hour time frame. This is also, as you see, this is accumulated. This is some kind of spring according to Vicop. This is a sign of strength, and this is a retest, and then we're right now expecting the effect phase, and effect phase can lead us to the next points. So I established a Fibonacci expansion immediately from this ABC. I will zoom in this one, and we got a 61.8 exactly on the swing high, 1.5085, which is the first important resistance on the Euro Australian dollar at this stage. At this level, I will look to secure my position, and I will look to secure both positions, and then try to take, for example, this 100%, which will be my first actually target, and I can put at this stage here like 1.5315 can be my first target. My second target will be the area where is a 61.8 retracement. So my second position I will put at near this 61.8, 1.5, 550 area. So I will do like this. Just a second. Put like here. 550 here. So these are my right now current active transactions, and again my securing level will be this one, and that will be the area again 1.5080 090. I'll watch the securities. If you wanted to establish positions here, it was also correct. If you want to catch at this one or this one stage, you have the better price, but it's still very good area to build because this is a short midterm changing in trend behavior. We can also see the changing in behavior according to the 1 hour time frame moving averages. Pretty much the 50 cross the 200 MA. This is a strong strong changing in behavior incoming here, and this is a first serious sign of strength. And what is actually very good here, it's successful retest of this channel after the breakout, which is the very good, which is for sure sign of the big willing for the buyers to build further buying positions on this one. So again, keeping the risk in control, risking about 100 around 100 pips, it's enough to risk in this situation, because the price really go back here and so on. It's a bad sign. It's better I'm out of this position. From the other, so if the price go into my first take profit, I will take 1:4 ratio, and I will take 2%. And if our price go to my second target, I will take about 620 pips or 1:6 EUR ratio. So I'm aiming for the first transaction 1.4 and for the second 1.6. These are my fixed targets, but of course I will adapt to the market. And if again we reach this swing high and this area 1.5090, I will secure my positions, and then probably I will follow and raise my stop loss and lock profit and profit how the price will progress, and try to catch as much as I can from this one. So these transactions, these opportunities don't happen often on the single currency pair, of course. So for example, for the quality setup and quality breakout, you should really wait for 20 days if you want to trade this big trading range. And if you trigger it exactly this stage here on the breakout, price went higher and then back lower, so it's a normal, because price tend to retest that, because professionals wants to make sure that they have no further supply left and no big sellers left. So that's why they need to actually sell for themselves to see and investigate how big supply actually is after the breakout. If there is no big supply left, as we can see, there is no big supply left after that. So this is a break. This is a channel, the trend line. This is a breakout. Price will of course not go immediately higher and explode, 300-400 pips higher. It's a very rarely, but price did really good job, and it exploded 600 pips, and it's marked very big sign of the strength here. Now price rejected exactly to 61.8 retracement, 380 pips drop, and it's actually the area where is the trend line. Where is this trend line? Here. Now what we can see there is absolutely no supply. Look at the supply here on the testing of this. They have no power, and this is a higher swing low and higher swing low. So we are progressing very good. Okay, so general, again, I'm explaining you the what's happening here exactly. Again, massive downward channel, 20 days. This is a short midterm downward channel, I can say it that way. And after 20 days you see the massive increasing in volume, and you see the breakout, and that confirms the breakout. This is something very big. You must know that there is a massive volume increasing under some critical points, and we are exactly on that way, which is the downward channel. This is a massive sign of the strength, and this can bring us a very good opportunities, I mean, for professionals to establish buying positions later on, buying on the dips just after that successful test. So this area, to buy near this area, or someone who bought even the better price than I bought right now, which is still not, again, this is still a very good price for enter, because you can risk 120 pips and going for, you have a very good space, you know, for the price to fluctuate upward. So in that sense, this is I'm expecting really good profit on this one, but I don't know when that when we will achieve this, or do we will achieve this. But it's for sure very worth to try this because of high risk reward ratio, potential setup, and very strong technical approach on the market. So again, broken downward channel, massive increasing in volume, confirming this breakout, it's a valid. Then a successful retest, which is even more important, let's say, which is very important. It's a second part of the triggering. If you don't have successful retest of the channel, and there is still strong supply on the market, this may be a false breakout. But since we got a successful test, that convinced me that this is a really very bullish. Since that release from ECB, we started very bullish on the euro. Okay, so pay attention on these levels, and again, this will be the first significant resistance near the 38.2 and 61.8 expansion. I will potentially secure there if the price reach this point, and then I'm hoping that the price can reach the next resistance levels and profit target levels, and that I can earn good money here. A good percentage. Anyway, I secured myself. I mean, I'm keep the risk in control as like in every setup, so it's all okay. Even the price go wrong, it's very good to try. That's it for this analysis. If you want to learn my method again and start you can start my mentorship program. You can add me on the Skype. I will put my Skype username in the description of the video, so you can contact me and we can speak more about mentorship program. Also, if you like my analysis, feel free to comment on the video and join our discussion on the thread, the Art of Trading by Petar Serbia. Again, this particular setup, and to even watch the euro Australian dollar and to do the analysis, again, the GMT helped me, the member of our secretary, because I didn't know, I working a lot, so I didn't notice that very strong breakout of the downward channel. So again, thanks to GMT, this is a potential very good bullish view. I just did a detailed short midterm analysis. Okay, that's it for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed, and wish you good trading and trade safe.